Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Purnima Love Infinity. So guys, in today's video I'm going to follow and recreate Selena Gomez inspired guide to the perfect cat eye look. So guys, she created this look for Vogue's official channel. So let's get started. So the very first step is moisturization, and I've already moisturized my face, so I'm going to do the second step, which is applying a sunscreen. I'm using the Last Natural sunscreen all over my face, my ears and my neck. Now for the next step, we are going to use a liquid foundation which is from Wet n Wild. Selena uses a low to medium coverage foundation, which is also a liquid one. So I'm going to use this so that it gives me a little more coverage. I'm going to dot it all over my face like she does, and then blend it first with a brush, and also use a beauty blender to take off the excess. Now let's move on to concealing, for which I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and I'm going to dot it in the areas wherever I want to do concealing, and I'm doing it exactly like how Selena does. It's not like how I do it usually, so I'm just trying to follow her tutorial. That's why I'm applying it in this way. So I'm again going to blend this with the help of the same foundation brush. Now guys, I'm not using the same products as Selena does in that tutorial, because of course I don't have them. So I hope you guys will understand that the look might turn out a little different than hers, but that's okay. I feel it's just a learning process that we are doing together. So yeah, the next step is to apply blush. She uses a liquid blush. I don't have a liquid blush, so I'm just going to use a liquid lipstick, which is from the brand called Worky, and it is kind of a peachy pink colored lipstick that would work well for this look, I believe. Yeah, so it is a bit dry, so it's taking time to blend. If you're using a liquid blush, it would be, I think, much easier to blend. So you can either try that, or you can also apply like a lipstick instead of applying a blush. Yeah, you can use lipstick as a blush. So here what I did is I applied a bronzer, and I'm applying it in the shape of number 3, just like this. And now moving on to the eyes. So she has used a nude eye color for the crease and the outer V. So I think I do have the same shade, but I was not able to find it when I was shooting this video. So what I did is I took a nude brown kind of a shade to apply on the crease, which is from the Sugar eyeshadow quad that I showed recently in my video. I'll mention the name and everything in the description box down below. Please go ahead and check all of those details in the description box once you're done watching this video. And after that, I also used a nude lipstick from Bella Voste to get the exact shade that she applied on her outer V and crease. Okay, then she applied a shimmery color on her lid and the inner part of her lid as well. So I'm just using a shimmery rose gold kind of a shade. I couldn't actually understand what exact shade was it. It looked to me like either a pink shimmery shade, or it was kind of a gold shade, so it was not visible properly. That's why I applied this one. After this, she filled her eyebrows. What she did is first she used a spoolie to comb the eyebrows, and then she applied a gel eyebrow product. So for that, I'm using the Music Flower brown color shade, which is a gel, of course. Applied that with the help of a spoolie. And now moving on to the eyes, we are going to create the cat eyeliner, cat winged eyeliner. Okay, so for that we are going to start from the middle of the eye, and we are going to create or draw a straight line parallel to the eyebrow, and then we are going to connect it to the outer corner of the eye, and then we will slowly extend that towards the inner corner of the eye. Just follow the tutorial, guys, just follow the video and you'll be able to understand how exactly I did it. I don't usually do cat eyes. I do winged eyeliner but not the cat eye because it is quite bold and I don't know, I'm not sure how it looks on me. I don't know if it looks good or not, so I don't do it. And but this is the perfect way to do it. I mean, I do it, this is how I do it whenever I feel like. And yeah, with that we are done with the cat eyes, and now we are going to apply a liquid highlighter. For that I'm using the Revlon Photo Ready highlighter, and I'm just going to apply it with the help of a brush, and then I will slowly blend it with the same brush. This is an eyeshadow brush that I'm using, but it's fine, it works well. After this she does something different, like, you know, I don't do this usually. After all of this makeup, she is again applying concealer wherever she wants to highlight, and also, like, see, under the eyes, and then she also applied it around her mouth, around her nose. So I did that as well. And then she uses a blotting paper. I don't have a blotting paper, guys. I don't use them. I've never used them for my face, so I'm gonna skip that. And then she applies a powder, so I think she uses a translucent powder or something. I'm just gonna use a compact powder that I have, and I'm not using much of it because we're just gonna let that glow be there. So now the last part that we're gonna do for the eyes is applying mascara. Now Selena has lash extensions done. I don't have them, so I'm just gonna apply mascara as she does. And I'm not going to use any fake lashes because I feel that's okay. If you want, you can put on fake lashes. And then for the lips, she uses a really beautiful red color, and here I'm gonna use one a lipstick from Nika. And then she uses a mist, for which I'm going to use rose water. I am not applying any makeup fixer because I'm just going to wash this makeup off once I'm done with this video. This is how the look has turned out to be. I know after doing this makeup I've not started to look like Selena because she is who she is. She is really beautiful and I cannot look like her. She cannot look like me because we are two different individuals. I've just tried to recreate the same look that she created, and I'm really happy with the result. Yeah, I'm really happy with the eyes, and everything else is good. So guys, I hope you liked this video, this tutorial, this recreation, whatever you want to call it. I did enjoy following her tutorial because we all want to know how celebrities create their looks, right? So yeah, if you liked it, do let me know in the comment section below which celebrities makeup would you like me to recreate, and also to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click on all notifications to get notified about my all upcoming videos on time. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.